Hey subbies, welcome back to your channel. It's the girl Gisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes, not a video, but another reaction videos. Because I know y'all love my reaction videos more than you love the rest of my videos, but you know what? I'm gonna keep posting videos. And yes, so make sure that you like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and also share this video to each and everyone in your contact. Yes. Also follow my social medias down below in the description box because everything is down there. Yes. And today I'm gonna do a reaction video to Gabriel HENRIQUE "Unbreak My Heart" cover Toni Braxton. And yeah, if you're a huge fan of Toni Braxton, comment down below in the comment section. And yes, and without further ado, let's get into this video.
Come back and bring back my smile. Come and take the tears away. I need your arms to hold me now. The night is so unkind. Bring back those nights when I held you beside me. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this heart you cause and I walk her the door and the walk of my life. Unquiet these tears. I cried so many nights. Won't break my heart, my heart. Take back the sad word goodbye. Bring back the joy to my life. Don't leave me here if the tears come and kiss the pain away. I can't forget the day you left. Times are so unkind, and life is so cruel without you here beside me. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this hurt you cause when I walk her the door and the walk of my life. Unquiet these tears. I cried so many nights. Unbreak my heart. Don't leave me in your despair. Don't leave me unrejoined. Bring back the nights when I had you beside me. One break my heart. Say you love me again. Undo these hearts you cause in a walk at the door and the walk of my life. Oh, cry these tears. I cried so many nights. Unbreak my heart. Oh, baby, come back and just say you love me. Unbreak my heart, sweet darling. Retire you, I just can't go
song. That is the song, y'all. That is the song. That is the song, y'all. That song is a song. What? Ugh. That is a song, y'all. Make sure to do all those good stuff. Make sure to like it, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos like these, because you know I drop them for y'all because I do reaction videos. Oh my god, I'm just so in love with reaction videos since I get into the reaction industries. Like I'm just like reaction type of girl. So it is a reaction. So make sure to do all those good things. Make sure to comment below what video I want to react to next, and I'll do it for y'all. Yes. Also, follow my social media down below in the description box. And if you want to watch more of my reaction videos, I have a playlist for y'all. Like, I sat down and I just create a playlist. I just make everything easy for y'all. Then I scroll through and look for reaction videos. I just have a playlist over somewhere there. It's called Jamaican Reactions. Yes, Jamaican Reactions. So, make sure you go over there. And, you know, watch it all, binge watch them all. I also have talking about binge watch, I have a binge watch playlist. Make sure you go over there and binge watch my videos. Yes. And if you're a huge fan of Whitney Houston, comment down below that you're a huge fan of Whitney Houston. And yes. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.